Hi guys, how are you doing? Thank you for tuning into my video. So in this video, I'm trying to make a viral egg recipe that I saw on this YouTube street. And so here, I broke one egg into a bowl and I separated the egg yolk and the egg white. And here, I smeared some butter into my pan, poured in the egg white, and tried to smear it all over the pan so that it cooks evenly. So here I sprinkled some salt to the egg because it had solidified. After that, I added my egg yolk at the center. And after that, I also sprinkled some salt on the egg yolk. So after cooking for some few minutes, I tried to cover the egg yolk with a spatula so that I can actualize what I wanted to do. Yeah, so that's me scraping the other pan, folding the egg white on top of the egg yolk. Although it didn't come out perfectly, but at least I managed to actualize my idea and what I saw on YouTube. And my daughter loved the way it looked and tasted. Please bear with me, that's my son calling me. So here I kept on folding. I wanted it to be a perfect square, but it didn't turn out that way. And after this, I tried folding the egg yolk, trying to make it a square. And then I turned my egg so that the yolk cooks on both sides. So there, cooking the other side. And that's how it turned out. It didn't look that bad, but it wasn't exactly what I wanted. But it came out perfect. So thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video.